Discover the magic of advanced intuitive watercolor florals. Join me on a transformative journey as we craft magically expressive florals, wild and crafted by your soul. This isn't your ordinary watercolor floral class. It's an open invitation to unlock your heart, release the constraints of perfectionism, and become fully immersed in the creative process. This self-paced course provides the space for you to breathe, clear your mind, and let your creative spirit flow. Are you ready to create from a centered heart, free from fear and self-judgment? Let's discover the joy of painting florals in a truly magical